Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. So this video is going to be very different because me and my other YouTube friends decided to do a Valentine's Day collab, and I'm just so much happy to be a part of this collab. And make sure to check out the amazing dolls of etellan, KrystalsFantasy, Josephine creatures, JackyOhhh, Dollee Mixtures, UNNiEDOLLS, KrystalsFantasy Factory, and myself, HLE Crafts. So now let's move on to the concept. So this time I don't have a clear vision that what I can make, but I just know that I wanted to make a doll in which I add a lot of red colors. So now without further ado, let's get started our video. Hello friends, welcome to my tiny and untidy studio, and I'm just here to show you my small workplace. And I just work here a lot of time of my day, and I just make all of my dolls here. And here are a lot of dolls which are still need to be done, and they are all incomplete, and I just wanted to finish them. But once I just look at some other pictures and other stuff, I just wanted to make some different kind of dolls, and I just keep all of these dolls in boxes, and I think that this is not good. So this box include all of my accessories, and there are two other boxes which also include some similar accessories, but here is the main one. Then this is the box in which include a few of my incomplete dolls, and I just wanted to finish them, all of them, in this year. I just promised myself to complete all of my unfinished doll this year. So now let's find and see that which doll would be perfect for this repaint. So at first I take this Ever After High doll box, and I just don't have that much Ever After Highs, but I have a good collection. So I'm just using this bunny blank, and I think that she is very adorable, but let's see that what else I can find. This box include all of the incomplete doll heads, and now this is the box in which I take a bit of my favorite dolls. So I decided to take a Rebecca and also a Freaky Fusion Draculora, and I think that both of them have very great face sculpts, and let's see that which one would be perfect. But before starting our repaint, first we have to take all of these boxes in their own places, and then I'm covering them using a fabric. And I just wanted to clean this workspace so I will feel a little bit better. And now let's get started our repaint. So at last I came up with these three dolls, and I think that all of them are very perfect. But I have some other ideas for this bunny blank, so I would be choosing between Rebecca and Draculora. But I think that Draculora's skin tone is very gorgeous, and I just have to use her, and I never used her before, so I think that she is very perfect for this repaint. So first I am taking a very sharp scissors and remove all of the doll hair as close to the sculpt as possible. Then I am just removing the doll head from the body. And then using a screwdriver, I am just removing all of the gluey hair from the inside. And I think that this part is very satisfying. Then using a pliers and scissors, I remove all of the gluey hair from the inside. And now the doll head is very clean and perfect to be used. And now it's time to work on the doll outfit, and I think that this outfit is very gorgeous, and this is made by my grandmom. Thank you so much, grandmom, for making this amazing outfit. But I think that this is very simple, so I'm just taking a lot of laces and beads and pearls and starting decorating the doll outfit. So just take your needle and thread and some laces and starting decorating the doll outfit. I think that I love decorating the doll outfits and also adding a lot of details to the doll hair, because I think that this is my style and I really enjoy adding more and more details to my doll outfits. And I think that you guys are also enjoying that I add a lot of details to my dolls, and I think that this is the most fun part when it comes to a repaint. I also added some yellow and some maroon and also some pink beads to the back part of the doll dress, and I think that this is one of the most amazing detail which I add in this doll. And I also added some very big ribbons to the back part of the doll dress, and these ribbons are also made by my grandmom, so thank you so much. And I also added some hearts, adding some beads to the doll sleeves and also adding a small choker to the doll neck, and now the doll outfit is all done. Then using some pure acetone and a fabric, and I'm starting removing the doll original factory paint. And once I remove all of the doll face up, then I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and starting removing the bumps from the doll face up, and using some sandpaper I'm just smoothing everything. And now it's time to work on the doll face up. So I just sealed the doll face twice with my sealant, and then I'm just taking my watercolor pencils, soft pastels, and starting sketching the doll eyes. This time I want to give her a very big kind of eyes, so I'm just following the same eye shape which she have. So now one of the doll eye sketch is all done, so I'm doing the other eye off screen and then I will be right back. So now I'm just taking my red color of watercolor pencil and starting sketching the heart. This part is a bit tricky, but I think that I managed to do it very great. And now it's time to add more and more colors to the doll face up, and I also starting building layers again and again. So in the meantime I just seal the doll face again and again to add more and more colors to the doll face up. So for the eyeshadow, I want to give her a very smoky kind of look. So for this, I'm just using a lot of reds, pinks, and also some brown colors. And now using some acrylic paint, I'm starting adding green color to the doll eyes. And now using my black color of watercolor pencil, I'm starting adding stitching to the doll face. And to make it more realistic, I'm just adding one layer of white stitch as well. At last I give her eye shines and the doll face up is done. So in the meantime, when I completed my doll face up, her outfit, then the hair was only left. And I was just so much confused that which hair look would be perfect for my doll. So my friend Liz decided to choose a side ponytail and I decided to give her bangs so that would be look very cute. So I just starting adding wefts to the doll head using my hot glue gun. I think that adding this kind of hair wefts to the doll head is one of the most easiest hair tutorial, and I think that rerouting take a lot of time, but I think that this kind of hair wefts is also working very great, and I'm also going to be using them a lot in future. So now let's just put the head and body back together, and then I also cut her bangs, and then I just cover the doll hair and just give it a side ponytail. And I think that this is looking so adorable. So then I just take my hot glue gun and just gluing this large ribbon to the front part of the doll hair, and then the doll is all done. And I think that she came out so red and I am in love with her. She is just so much gorgeous. And what do you guys think about her? I think that I add a lot of details to her outfit and also did try some new techniques on her face up, and I'm just so much happy that how she turned out. So guys, she is available for sale, so if anyone is interested, then please let me know in the comments or just DM me on my Instagram, and my pastel doll is also available. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye.